Hello everyone. Today I'll talk about how to start a startup. First, you have to live in the future ahead of your time. You have to find out what is missing in the world, write it down and bounce the ideas around, makes a prototype out of it, and show the prototype to 100 people. Iterate on the prototype until it makes sense to you. Find a co-founder who can work on your prototype and or ideas. Register your companies or corporation and split the equity among each other. Look for funding and build version one of the same prototype for the time being, and launch the idea, launch the prototype. Let everyone knows that you have made something different. Follow up with the user if they are coming back or not. If they are coming, well and good. You have to grow that uh, user at 100,000 user, from 100 to 1,000 users. Then grow by 5% every week to make it hard and make it proven possible. Keep growing for another 4 years and rate your rate take the feedbacks and from ratings from the user to make it successful, and you'll get the success. If your idea is not working, launch it again and again. You always knows that Airbnb has launched 3 times and follow up with the user before they made success. So you keep growing, your startup idea will launch. Thank you for listening. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, share with your friend, family, and subscribe.